Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to enable dynamic refresh rate in Windows 11. Firstly, press Windows key, then type Settings and press Enter. Click System, then select Display. Scroll down to Advanced Display. Select your display if multiple monitors and choose a refresh rate. Select Dynamic, then if you don't see Dynamic, your device may not support DRR. If you don't see Dynamic, try updating your Windows, updating GPU drivers, check monitor specs, and make sure you're not using HDMI because it sometimes limits refresh rate. And that's it guys, as simple as that, and that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.